Annyeonghaseyo, Yung Taknim. I'm Ashley.
I'm Messiah.
So today we have a big break. Happy birthday, Yung Taknim. From Ashley and
Messiah.
to
Yung Taknim.
Samira. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Yung Taknim. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day full of joy and love. Thank you for your kindness and support. May this year bring your happiness and good health. Once again, happy birthday. Samida. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Yung Taknim. I just want to say that happy birthday to you. And I wish you have a good health and stay strong. And I hope you enjoy your birthday today. And thank you for supporting me and my family. And thank you for your financial support. Once again, happy birthday, Yung Taknim. Samida.
Happy birthday, Uncle Yung Taknim. Wishing you a very happy birthday and a year filled with love, adventure, and prosperity. Here's to you. Once again, happy birthday, Uncle Yung Taknim.
Happy birthday,